Hey Randy, it's Brandon. Just wanted to give you the video walk around of the Avalanche that you inquired on. Make sure it fits what you need. It's in very good shape. Body's in good condition. Tires all four match. Tires have great tread on them. Aluminum alloy wheels. Engine compartment's in great shape. The 8-cylinder motor. Got painted pinstripes on the vehicle. Tow hooks. Got some nice Bridgestone tires on here. LT model, leather interior, wood grain finish, powered passenger seat, powered driver seat. Moving to the back seat. Lots of room back here. Got your audio controls back here as well. Rear defrost. Fixed running boards. There's your LT badge. Got a liner for the bed. All the floor mats are here. Tri-fold tonneau cover. Class 3 tow hitch. Reverse sensing. All your power amenities. Power windows, power locks. Heated seats. Memory seat. Power seat. 4-wheel drive on the fly. Cruise control, and your voice-activated systems. Hope this looks good. Hope you get your cash today. We'll see you up here today from Silver Lake, Indiana. Thanks a lot.